welcome to the mix. And on the mix, we have Gracie. Now, Gracie's explaining that she paid, well, that Maxine had gotten her money and that the money did not come to her. So go ahead and check out the video. And remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe on the channel as usual. And watch for the full details. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.
Gracie not stay like the rest. You're gonna live with your condemnation. I will not take it back, Maxine. I make sure, like, come never remember something never log out panelico phone. I make sure log out panelico phone. I have no access to it. I will not take it back, Maxine. I will not go back Papa Word like some of them out here. I will not do it. Me give it to you. Me give it to you. I tell no lie, Pamado. Can you say? Me say. You say me say. Me want tell her which page you go up on and who for life you go up on. Journey, you not play for watch. So me no know how you sleep. Journey, you not play for watch. So me no know how you sleep. You not play for there. Me not play with content and you not play for watch. So now we not sleep. All of we want rest. Now change your mouth. Me not easy with what? Bad mind like your mama, everybody feel. Dirty girl. Bad mind like your mama, everybody feel. When Maxine have to smarty bad mind, I nobody where you talk about me bad mind. What they wanna have? When you know have for me bad mind, you know, tell me no. No, over here I make money like people when me sip on TikTok and them place there and YouTube and money this soon I make over here so for me bad mind, you know for. Yo, no come on fire, yeah. I mean, not see no real money I make over here so for bad mind for yet. When me see all them people can't tell me say Gracie, Jesus Christ, yes, I want to go up and for them lead. Me not motivated by small people. Them have money when me stood them a talk about on YouTube a chum change. I've been there, I know money. A chum change them here. Bad mind for what?
Just get your message vaccine. Alright. Friday when I go live. The same we can do for you. I promote it also. We can do for you. I just get your message. Alright. Friday, remind me.
Alright.
Thank you. Me know say
Listen good. And this what me said to Maxine after.
I need some help with my channel. I need some help because I'm stuck at I need 200 to make it like 1,000 and I don't know what to do. Just get your message vaccine. Alright. Friday when I go live. The same we can do for you. I promote it also. We can do for you. I just get your message. Alright. Friday, remind me. Alright, thank you. Me know say you're busy. Thank you. Do what you have to do. Sit that class and pass it. You need that credit. Do what you have to do, Gracie. Gracie, my son is older than you, my biggest son. And believe me when I tell you, I'm looking out for you just like I would look out for him. Just do what you got to do. We have our difference. It's over the bridge and gone. Just do what you have to do, sweetheart. Alright. Okay, I tried today, Gracie. Thank you for your help anyhow. I tried today and I can go on live, but I'm having a problem. I couldn't see who is on the chat and stuff like that. But I see it now, but what I want to do is like when I go on there, can I make it like I don't have to set it up all over again? Just click on Pande and go on Pande. I don't know how to do that.
All of we have run him, you know. When he couldn't go live, can he reach 1,000 yet? Never walk out through nothing and me Gracie do it, you know. And me Gracie do it. And when me see him get a little clout, everybody are watching, everybody draw him on them page. And when he need me a ratty cup talk, this man I don't care. And when he need help, me never see them the people around him, you know. And as soon as he get a little clout, all of who couldn't teach him to go live or nothing at all. They. And then if you can't tell him, if you can't tell like pa me today now. Me say, Father God.
Okay, I tried today.
This one, Gracie, thank you, thank you, thank you for your help. I tried today and I can go on live, but I'm having a problem. I couldn't see who is on the chat and stuff like that. But I see it now. But what I want to do is like when I go on there, can I make it like I don't have to set it up all over again? Just click on Pandy and go on Pandy. I don't know how to do that. Me have to go when later on me call you and I can walk me through it because the iPhone me I use. So me don't know if it's a difference with the iPhone and the Android. I don't know. But I can go live now. I can see that I can go live. I tried it like 3 times today. I was so excited. But anyhow, me will try go back again later on and then we might call you and make you walk me through it. Said a lot. This one said a lot, Gracie, because when you walk through my house and you look, she started this video. I didn't even know she was videoing.
All right, Maxine. This all the way you come out here and every content where you look and me you call forget it. But that me no come about that. I don't come about that. I don't come about that, Maxine. As me say last night, me private all of me long time video them. And you the only somebody call me. Somebody else gonna get them. I mean go in there go cut. I mean a cut and paste the people. Me go in there go cut off the pieces what you want and give them to you, Maxine. And say see your evidence here. See your evidence here, Maxine. Every time they trouble your ball to me like baby panya. And then you walk and tell like pa me say me thief you. But me no come about that. Wait.
Tell me if I strike Lorraine, they try strike me with this video that I made because this is about me. So tell me if I time I try to go on one of the comments that was comment on my YouTube thing, that is what I see come up. So why is this happening? Did I get struck by somebody or something? I don't know.
No, that don't look like strike. If you get a strike, you get an email. I don't know what that, but they look like something go to comment them. I don't know.
This is what Nasty Lorraine did. And none of the things them out there don't belongs to Lorraine because number one,
This is when she a ball because she get the strike. All right.
I post was to contradict what Lorraine had said about me, my family, Donna, and everybody. The video on me post on my page with the slippers when she in at me house. That's not even her video, you know. You know that rightfully that's mine. She's in my house.
Me and her friend. That person name where you come, me supposed to give her content for cause anybody they saw. Me and the person a friend. Me a crack her teeth a friend. So what me give her content for cause me and crack her teeth a friend. Me and her friend. I'm a friend. Me not a friend pan ya.
See, I have an option there, Mark. Down at the bottom, it says view option. You go say retract. I went and asked her,
Remember they say no, say me tell her if you hide page, you know. And no page never take down. So me I tell her how to fight it back you know. Remember the wicked them they say me tell her if you hide page, you know.
see, I have an option there, Mark. Down at the bottom, it says view option. You go say retract. I went and asked her, you know, one part where you have to fill out something. You put the word in there. You put the word fair use. So then I ask her, what you think about why when you put by the content, you have to put fair use. Them I said when you submit it sometime, then we bounce it back, but you have to keep on submitting it until they tell us them send it go give she. When they said they go give her now, them
This is me I teach Maxine how to fight to get back in page, you know. This is me I teach Maxine how to fight to get back in page where the people them what they take down. Alright. Listen good nationals. Coming like liar.
Yeah, 2 weeks to carry go court. If she cannot submit a paper for say she carry go court for 2 weeks for sister fair content for true, YouTube are gonna eventually put it back. So you might be sending them the letter, they something to YouTube and then probably rebounce it back a couple times. But every time they rebounce it back, fill it out back and send it back. Until them send it go get she. Nobody never care go court. For the YouTube content so easy. I do it with Vegas, I do it with Shanti, I do it with so many different copyrights. That is what you have to do. And if YouTube will say, all right, if they even take back 2, then you take back the 2, and then they will put back up your channel, and you go and fight the one. So maybe you get